Hi guys, today I'll show you how to download our Scenepacks easily, simply, and safely. Well, if you still don't know how to download them, or you're new here, watch this video. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming tutorials. Well then, let's start. First, we start by going to our search bar. Now that we enter the page, you can search in our search bar for the Scenepack you are looking for. But to quickly show you the process, I will choose this Scenepack from the U-Series. We wait for it to load. Click where it says download the best gaming browser and close the window that opens. Now that's done, we just have to wait a few minutes. Now we click on Unlock Content. Before finishing the video, if you are one of those people who get the internal server error, follow the following steps. Go to our Discord and look for the Common Fixes channel. You can pause the video to read this text, which is a solution to the two others that I'm going to teach you. And if that doesn't work, let's try these two more options. Copy the first link. Now go to your browser where you have the Scenepack download page open and open a new window. Now copy the link we copied into the browser. Now go to the page where the Scenepack is, select the link and copy the code that is at the end of the link. Now go back to the new page we opened and copy that code. And press enter to direct you to the page, and that's it. And if it still doesn't work, we do exactly the same thing, but with the second link that is on the Discord. Now when we are here, we simply click on download and close the page that opens, and remember, never download anything from other new pages that open. After our File Explorer opens, we click on accept, and that's it. We are now downloading our Scenepack, ready to edit. And remember to join our Discord if you're not there yet to stay updated on new Scenepacks, audios for edits, and much more. And above all, for upcoming editing tutorials on this channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.